wash the car.
Yeah.
See they whacked the car.
Well. What's the next
See,
thing?
now it smells like the cleaner, yeah?
Yeah.
It stinks. It smells like rotten egg. What's next?
Yeah.
They put a wax, like a sprinkle on it, a rain repellent.
Yeah.
The sign says rain repellent.
Yeah.
They have a wheel plaster to clean the wheel. The clear coat to protect your car.
Oh.
The spot-free car wash. And then tire dressing. So you can, it costs $5.99 up to $12.99. It just depends.